Hi, this is Ram from ramkelem.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use conditional expressions in SQL Server. Basically, conditional expressions allow us to implement conditional logic in our queries. Let me give you an example. Let's say, select customer ID, last name, monthly discount from customers. Now, suppose we want to create a new column that specifies the range of each monthly discount. This is how it should look. When the customer monthly discount is between 0 and 10, we want to specify grade A, for example. When the customer monthly discount is between 11 and 20, we want to specify grade B, for example. When the customer monthly discount is between 21 and 30, we want to specify grade C, and so on. Now, there are several ways to implement conditional logic in SQL Server. In this lesson, we will focus on the case expression. In order to use the case expression, we need to create new column using the following syntax. We say case when monthly discount is between 0 and 10, then let's set up the output to grade A. Next, when monthly discount is between 11 and 20, let's set up the output to grade B. When monthly discount is between 21 and 30, let's set the output to grade C. And in any other case, let's set up the output to grade D. And as grades. Okay, let's execute. And as you can see, we are getting the expected results. So the syntax of the case function is as follows. We say case, then we say when, this is our condition, then, and this is the output if this condition is met. Again, when, another condition, then, another output if this condition is met. And so on. We can repeat the when-then logic as much as we want. Then, optionally, we can specify the else keyword in order to specify what happens if none of the previous conditions are met. You can see, for example, that this monthly discount is not in the range of grade A, B, or C. So, for that case, we are specifying grade D. If we didn't use the else keyword, null value would be assigned to any value that doesn't fall in either of previous conditions. So, without the else keyword, in this example, here we would get null. Next, we specify the end keyword to denote the end of the case expression, and optionally we can also specify a column alias. So this is how we use conditional expressions in SQL Server. Please feel free to ask any question you may have in the comments section below. And if you are looking for a way to practice what we have just learned, in ramkelem.com you will find hundreds of exercises on many different levels. More details can be found in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.